Here we are going to go through the testing of a HercuLine Actuator. This is a Honeywell HercuLine 2000. We will go ahead and go over some of the parts of this unit internally. Behind this shaft here, we have the gearbox. Here we have our limit switches, stepper motor, our potentiometer right there, drive board here, and logic assembly. So now we will control the repaired actuator by applying a 4 to 10 milliamp signal, and we will show you its movement. As you can see, we are controlling it with our milliamp signal here. We will go ahead and repeat that. During our test, we will perform a number of movements to make sure everything is working as intended and ship to the customer. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.